Violence Public School CPSC, the affiliation number 1930376, school code 55331. The school is situated in Tamil Nadu, the district called Pudukkottai, and it is a semi-urban area where the population is majority of the farmers, and we have families, 247 families in our campus, and majority of the cultivation in this locality is groundnut. Now we will move further. This is nearly around 200 meters long. It's a strong compound wall throughout the building. This is only when we came through, that's only the entrance stage. It's a rolling gate, very strong gate. Once all the students have entered into the campus, the rolling gate will be closed. The permanent area to the main building of the office, where the administration and academics building. Towards my right hand side is a playground area. That's for the basketball court area according to the standards measurement we have maintained. Now if you see on the left side, this is another playground area used by students for the minor games activities. I'll take you to the first into the library. So Madam Polly and Father, with your permission, I'll be proceeding to the library for a virtual tour. Can we proceed, sir? Can we proceed, Madam? Thank you. Good morning, Madam. So this is a library view, Father and Madam. You can see here all the library facilities, and here we have round tables given here in the library, where 4 students can be seated in the library, and we can see the records maintained by the librarian. We can have the classes allotted for grade 11 and 12. If you want, we can go inside one of the classroom further. We can see the cupboards given to them. This is grade 10 classroom, and here the class teacher with the projector, and advanced boards are there. In every block we have a washroom facility for our students. This is the washroom facility of the south block. Separate toilets for the boys and girls, and also we can see here the safety measures of the campus. Safety precautions has been taken care as per the recommendation given by Tamil Nadu Fire and Safety Departments. And will be contacting teachers through the intercom. Teachers are not allowed to use the mobile phone during the class hours. Also, we have the surveillances of the camera in the corridor area, and the speaker system is also there. Now this is a physics lab. So now we are in the physics lab. You can see here items have been displayed here, for all the materials have been kept there, and we also have internal shelf inside all these tables. Further, you can see the stock register of 2019-20. Now you can see here, this is a room for the coordinator. This is a staff room, all the teachers, and they have cupboards and shelf inside. This is another ground which I explained further, the back side of the school. It's a major ground, a big ground, where we used to have all the major assembly, annual day, sports day, other various important celebrations. The chemistry lab is set according to the rules and regulations of the CPSC. We have the capacity to accommodate maximum 25 students. Gas connections as per the standards in this lab. Now we are in the physical education room, and their timetable will be always displayed. It's one of the sample card, health and activity records with the general informations and other details about it. The toilets will be according to the age appropriate, wash basins and urinals. And there are 2 department members in computer. Since we have up to grade 10, there are only 2 department members, and we also have the fire safety equipments here in the computer lab also. Basically it's for KG, but sometimes grade 1 and 2 students, mathematics also, for they are coming and utilizing it. So you can see here only the items for the KG will be displayed here. This is our ACA room, extracurricular activities room. The drums, PIA, keyboard is placed here. One day it is used for the dance teacher. This is our biology lab. Madam, we are in the biology lab. We can see here. We will be visiting the wellness room, the counselor. We can see the wellness the counselor. This is Mr. Michael. Is he qualified? You can talk to Mr. Michael. or you can have a separate interview with Mr. Michael also.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Michael Raj. I did my PG degree, Master of Social Work and Postgraduate Diploma in Counseling.
So there are two monitoring system in this campus for the drinking facility of students. Let me introduce to you, sir, father and madam. This is our CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Wilson Anand. This is a medical care room with the 2 beds facilities there. This is our mathematics lab. And this is also just like a collaborative table only, because each class we are having only 20 students maximum. We will verifying all the documents.
These are the originals, and first is a DEO certificate, the name change recognition certificate issued by the government of Tamil Nadu.
Bharatdasan News. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I am B. Priyadarshini. I have completed MA MPhil BA. I have 4 years experience. This is my 5th year.
We are going to look for new teachers, and as Sribase already instructed that no need to appoint right now anybody. Once affiliation comes, you have to look for a new faculties. No, they will be teaching, because we can have slowly progression with them. Suddenly, if they don't have exposure, I don't want to collapse in that one. So we'll give training, and slowly we empower them to move further. Definitely they have to aspire high.
Because our new policy says that 9, 10, 11, 12.
Same faculties, yes, continuously, yes, correct.
Okay, then thank you, sir.
Thank you, that's my pleasure.